Do you want to attract more clients, more business, get people to buy your book, and leave you great reviews?
Can people even find you online? Do they know you exist?
Hi, we're Mike Doplays and Bonnie Gressel with M&B Global Solutions, and we help people expand their business, share their message, and get noticed.
Part of getting noticed sometimes is doing something a little different. Now, you've seen a lot of videos where people shot it on the beach, but how about shooting it outside in Wisconsin in sub-zero wind chills while it's snowing out? Might be a little goofy, but it did make it more memorable for you, didn't it? One of the things we do is help people get over the initial fear of creating an effective online presence. Because if you're like most people, that can be a very scary and overwhelming proposition.
And that's where we come in. We tailor our services based on your needs to meet your goals.
If you're already on our site, click on the tabs and take a look at some of our work examples. If you're watching this video elsewhere, just click on that M&B Global Solutions link in the description box or open a new window on your browser and go to mnbglobalsolutions.com.
So take a look around our website and feel free to contact us with any questions. Or if you just want to talk about your project, you have our permission to pick our brains for free in a no-obligation discovery call.
Thanks for your time, and we look forward to helping you kickstart your success journey. Now, in the meantime, we nailed this. We're going inside.
It's cold out here.
Bye.
Bye.